Greetings, everyone. Today is February 25th, 2023. It is 4:02 p.m. Okay, so today I got up a little late because I was so tired. But before I went to bed last night, early this morning, it was about 4. Um, I do most of my good work at night, so that's why I'm up late at night. I had this dream. I took some Harataki and lion's mane, and those two combined together, baby, let me tell you. But anyway, that's for a different story. Last night my dream. Now I had a couple dreams last night. When I say a couple, I mean a couple, a lot of them. Okay, so my first dream. Well, I can't remember the first one, but I'm gonna tell you about this one that I do remember. So with this dream, I remember me, Tina, and Renee. We all went to some type of function at a museum or a convention center. There was a lot of people there. We was all looking at something, and I can't remember what we was looking at. And we just, you know what I'm saying, just in there chilling, and next thing I know, me and Renee, we leave to go do something somewhere else. I can't remember everything, but I remember we left to go do something. And Tina didn't want to go. We said, okay. So we left. We came back. Like I said, I can't remember what the hell we left to go do. But on our way back, we parked. This time we parked in front of the building. I remember there is a railroad track going across it. And we parked like right there underneath it, but right there in front of the building. And as we walking, I'm looking up. Now I always look up in the sky. Well, I'll get to that. I'm always looking up in the sky and I'll get to that. I don't want to digress from what I'm trying to do. But so when I looked up in the sky, you know what? I'm going to do it anyway because I had to tell this story because something was weird. So last night I had seen the moon. I put it in here somewhere. I seen the moon, and it was closer than normal. It was huge. Like, I don't know if people actually seen it, but it was huge, and I couldn't take a picture of it. Now, here's the weird part, because last night it was about 10 something or 11 something when I got back from the grocery store, and down there by Walmart where I live at, it looked like it was close as hell. But when I got home, it didn't look as close. But the one thing that tripped me out is because normally the moon, when it first come out, is up in the front of my house, and I can see it real good. I say about 1 o'clock, it's up above my house, and then later on it moves on the way back. But this time it was in the back of the house, and I'm like, that's different. And it was, when I say it was huge, it looked like you can just reach up and touch it. That's how huge it was last night. I'm gonna have to check and see what type of moon it was last night, but it was just weird for me anyway. All right, so, and then it was giving out some type of energy, like a different type of energy I ain't never felt before. Like when I came in the house, I told my husband, like, this moon is different. It just gave out some type of energy. He was like, is it good or bad energy? I said, I can't explain it, type energy, you know? So now go back to the dream. So I'm looking up in the air, and I'm just walking and looking, we talking. And I said, damn, do you see that? She said, what? Renee said, what? I said, you don't see the moon. She said, yeah, I said, no, that ain't normal. That ain't normal. Do you not see what it looked like? She said, I see it, but it ain't. What you mean? I said, next thing I know, I see something flying into the fucking moon. and it exploded. Hold on. Sorry about that. Wife duty calls. But anyway. Yeah, so it exploded, right? And I'm like, what the fuck just happened, right? So when it exploded, it's like there was no dragon, but some fire start filling up the sky. And I'm like, what the fuck? So the sky lit up like with nothing but fire. And I'm like, where the fuck is the damn the dragon or whatever, you know what I mean? Well, the first thing came in my head telepathically was, this is Blue Beam. It will seem real, but this is Blue Beam, and you need to run because it is real. It will feel real, but it's not real. It ain't destroyed shit. And I'm like, weird, right? So, then next thing you know, thunder start coming down. Lightning start coming down. And it starts striking motherfuckers that went in the path of it. And it was just weird because I'm like, how the fuck do this lightning stay in a straight line and it comes every 3 seconds, right? And I was timing that shit, just looking at the shit like, what the fuck is really going on, right? So once that started happening, it did it, and it killed don't get me wrong, it killed a lot of people, but it was still not real because I really don't know how to explain it. But they basically saying it wasn't real, but it was all technology, but it was nothing got destroyed. That's what I was trying to say, except for the people, because those was weapons. Okay, that's what I was trying to say. The stuff is weapons, so it wasn't put like this. It wasn't Mother Nature that was doing it. It was, you know who it was, for those who know. It was them, right? So I'm like, oh fuck. So this remind me of that damn movie, and I'm gonna put it in here somewhere. That movie, I'm gonna put a clip of it because it shows exactly what the fuck they about to do, right? Okay. So once that happened, me and Renee we ran, and I was like, damn, we gotta go get Tina. But by that time, it was like we couldn't go get her because it was just so much shit happening, so much chaotic shit happened. So me and her go running. We run to the car. We get in the car. Now, remind you, there's a car in front of us. It's our car, and then it was a one of those dumbbell cars. Armor truck cars that they go pick up money and all that shit. Now, remind you, there's no money. Renee went to go look in there and seeing that there was no money in there. She's like, this is weird. Why is this door open like this, right? Okay. She go looking in there and she seen 2 joysticks. I said, girl, you better put that shit down. What the fuck is going on? The next thing you know, we see this projection, like a hologram, shoot out from the door, and it's alerting whoever's doing this inside the building that we are standing there and we are messing with this situation. You know what I'm saying? Messing with their stuff. Now I'm like, oh shit. Now I don't understand why these games was all around the car, but there's different games that was around the car. I'm guessing these video games got something to do with the Blue Beam or what they gonna try to do. That's what I'm guessing. But another weird thing is we jump in the car, we're getting ready to go. We jump in the car, I turn the car. Normally I do not leave my keys in the car in the ignition, but my keys was in the ignition. I said, okay. Next thing I know, I back up. I ran into the damn thing because it was like, oh my ass. I ran into that, and then we dipped up out of there. I just knew it was that thunder was going to that lightning was going to hit the car, but it didn't. It was like we was protected. That's all I have for now. That was some crazy shit. That was some crazy shit right there. But all right, I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.